We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make a 1-pan egg sandwich. First, add 2 eggs to a bowl and whisk with a little salt and pepper. Add any other spices. Then heat extra virgin olive oil over medium-low heat in a non-stick pan. Add the egg, the 2 bread slices, then quickly flip them to coat both sides. Now for the trick. Flip the whole thing. Fold egg edges in if necessary and add any cheese and other fillings. Fold in half and flip one more time until golden brown. Enjoy with some fruit for breakfast or even breakfast for dinner. And always check out our recipe in the description below.